Alright guys, today we got the Dell Inspiron here at Power Jack Repair. We got the Dell Inspiron 5520 p25f, and we specialize in power jack replacements, and the client brought it in showing that the jack here does not accept the plug anymore. Basically, when you put it in, it doesn't go all the way in. So what we do is we replace the jack for $100 for our client. And let me show you how to do so. Here, I'm just gonna get a better angle so you can see everything. Yep. Let's see if you can see better like that. Like that. You got two screws right here under the CD-ROM. Alright, that seems to be like, we got two more screws here, but I'm not sure if they are really folding anything. But just in case. And there is one right here. Alright. Let's flip it over. Again, if you're in Chicagoland, you could basically just stop by. We can take care of it within an hour. If you're not in Chicagoland, you could just mail it in. We could take care of it within 24 hours and ship it back your way. There are little tabs right here which you need to be prying that way, like that, like that, like that, and like that. And you just flip the keyboard over this way. You mark that the cable is this way up, this cable is right here, and this cable is right there, and this one. You could also mark that today is March 2016, and it came here for power jack repair. So the way you disconnect the cables are, you need to flip this guy upwards. So like that. Also, this one flips this way, like that, and disconnect it like this. And this guy you flip upwards as well, and disconnect it like that. You got one more right here, and you flip it this way, and disconnect it like that. Likes would be appreciated, so if you can leave a like on the bottom of the video, we would really appreciate it. Alright. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm lifting up the casing, and it should be coming apart by itself. Alright. So there is a cable right here which you need to disconnect. Right here. Right here. And then lift up the touchpad. Now here what you see is a jack which is on a cable, and I'm pretty sure you could buy a cable someplace and just swap it out. I mean jack with the cable. It's strange how the hinges and everything else right here is basically where the plastic is broken. Anyways, let's see why this guy does not want to come out. Probably the plastic broken under the screw. So let's pull out the jack. Like that. All right. I can't really see anything under there, so what we're gonna do is put something like this under it. Hopefully that's gonna be holding whatever's on the bottom. Like that. All right, upon further inspection, if you look inside of that barrel, let's redo the focus. If you look inside of that barrel, one of those metal pieces that are on the side, you see right here on the top, there is metal piece, metal piece, metal piece, and metal piece on the outside. And it's kind of gotten there, grooved in there. And that's the reason why the connector doesn't go all the way in. So Okay. So what we need is a special tool. I'm kidding about special tool, just a knife like that. So lift up this heat shrink. No, we do need a special tool. Okay, this special tool is much sharper than the dull knife I had right there. So this one is just a 49-cent knife. Okay. The goal is basically to take the top heat shrink off. Alright. I mean, the other way to do it is to cut it, because the cable is long enough. So even if you cut the cables off, you should be alright. Alright. Okay. So that's that. Let's see. That one came out easily. Now let's see if this one's gonna come up as well. Okay. All right. And like that. Okay. Now what I usually like to do is to remove this magnet altogether. That magnet. All right. Yeah, cables look good. Now I need to find a replacement connector like this one. Okay. Alright, they look pretty much identical. So, okay. So focus on here. You know, I do wanna cut this stuff out a bit because I want a new solder to be there. Okay. Right. Same for the positive. Basically, red is the positive, and okay. So first I'm probably gonna solder the white one. Why? Because the first one on line here, that's, you know what, I'm gonna trim this guy too because the insulation is not the best ever, so here. Okay. So we insert it into the middle one. Okay. Now I want to rotate the cable slightly upwards. Slightly upwards. Like that. Like that. Okay. So All right, so you have to make sure that nothing is touching anything here. Basically, the red is red, the black is black, and white is white. So we wanna trim the excess. Okay. And this is pretty much how you replace the jack on the laptop. So I wanna trim a bit more right here. Okay. All right. That looks ideal to me. Right there. It's out of focus. Alrighty. Perfect tight fit. Okay. Let's make sure it's all conducting the electricity the way it's supposed to conduct, plus middle, negative and negative. Wonderful. Так. Alright. Again, guys, if you like the video, leave a like. Just press a like below this video. That would help our company tremendously to prosper and bring you more videos like that in the future. Come on. now the tricky part, to weld it down, basically to bolt it down to something that's not there. So, okay, like that. And let's hope it's gonna all fold up just fine. Alright, another thing you need to look at, you see right here a screw that's probably not gonna be sitting well. So you need to screw in this, that, and that. Okay. This cable is supposed to be sitting probably here, not the other way. Strange, I mean, there is no room for this cable to go here. It's probably like that, or even better, like that. Okay. Yeah, for some reason we have something is missing here. Let's see. Ah, here's the problem. You see all this plastic kind of fell apart. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it down here. Hold this guy. And that guy gonna hold it down there. So make sure this one is alright and that one is alright. Okay. Okay. Alright. And one screw is supposed to go in there, but there is nothing to support it, so it's not going anywhere. Okay, close up. Alright, let's close this guy down. And let's hope those screws right here are gonna hold them in place just fine. Nope. Okay. That sucks. Anyways. You know, you probably don't have to take the hard drive out either. I was under the impression there should be some sort of plastic piece right here, but there is no such plastic piece here. Yeah, so there's no point putting those two screws in place. They're just gonna be causing problems there. Okay. Flip this guy over, put on the screen. And let's connect the power supply. You know, it's better off to remove the battery for that purpose, to just test it out to make sure everything is working fine. So we connect the power supply, flip this guy over. the screen. That's the power button. And you want to wiggle it around to make sure it's working fine. Even though right here there is a issue. So, but yeah, laptop works fine, no battery inside. So here's the battery basically right here. Yeah, so if you have a laptop like this one or any other laptop, send it in, we can fix it for $100 total. That includes the labor, the parts, and the shipping back to you. And leave a like. Leave a like under the video, we would really appreciate it. There's some plastic that didn't come in yet, so anyways. Alright, keyboard works, touchpad works, it's all good.